क्योंकि विश्व विख्यात डॉक्टर शमीम शर्मा साहब हाल तक यकीनी शायद मालूम भी नहीं है कि देश रा पूर्व प्रधानमंत्री डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह, पाकिस्तान रा पूर्व राष्ट्रपति जरदारी साहब रा ऑपरेशन भी आप राजस्थान रे धरती रा पुत्र डॉक्टर शमीम शर्मा साहब करियो। अगर मैं एक बहुत मोटे सम्मेलन में हो तो पूछो राजस्थान में निवेश रो कई हाल चल रही है। मैं के राजस्थान के मुख्यमंत्री जी शपथ नहीं ली, सिर्फ पूछो कि जेडीसी कौन है तो आप जयपुर वाला ने तो उठा लेना, 2 दिन में पूरा जयपुर ठीक हो गयो। मैं कहा आओ राजस्थान करो निवेश, करो मेक इन राजस्थान। और राजस्थान रे माने ब्यूरोक्रेसी की दिक्कत वैसे तो पूरे हिंदुस्तान में है, पर माने राजस्थान रे मुख्यमंत्री जी रे रहता थका प्रॉब्लम नहीं वेला। आप देखो जीडीपी रे मामले में आज आप 12 राज्य रे ऊपर चल रही हैं। हिंदुस्तान रे नेशनल जीडीपी रे माने आप सिर्फ 10% ला रहे हैं। आप थोड़ा टाइम ठहरो, 29 राज्य और 6 यूटी स्टेट रे माने मुख्यमंत्री वसुंधरा राजे जी रे नेतृत्व में आप नंबर 1 वाला। जय राजस्थान, जय राजस्थानी।
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so now may I please request Srimati Vasundhara Raje, Honorable Chief Minister, to please say a few words, ma'am. Can we have you here? Thank you.
जी सर, मैंने तो टाइम कर दिया था, रिपोर्ट नहीं हुआ है मैडम।
Dr. Shamim Sharma, Chairman of the Eternal Heart Care Center, and Mrs. Manju Sharma, Co-Chairman of the EHCC, Justice S.K. Kothari, Honorable Lokayukta, Shri Kalicharanji Saraf, the Honorable Minister for Higher Education, Mr. Parnami, President of the BJP, Mr. Subhash Chandra, a good friend and Chairman of Z and the SL Group, Shri Ramcharan Bora, our MP, Mr. V.N. Dhoot, Chairman of Videocon, Mr. Kailash Verma, MLA, and I think I've got everybody. And all the medical professionals, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great pleasure to be here this evening and to see the fruition of a dream. Because honestly, Dr. Lodha is here in the crowd. I see him. It was when we went for Rana, and I remember Rana, they came to me and said, you must come to New York. And I said, those days are over. Where I come from, there is really no need to go to New York unless you're going to give me something to bring back. So I must tell you that Dr. Lodha put himself out, introduced me to Dr. Sharma, and well, the story began then. And a few years later, and not so many years later, you have a beautiful hospital standing ready to give every kind of possible help to the citizens of Jaipur. So an international cardiologist par excellence, with a wife who works very, very hard to put those dreams on the ground. Because you can't do Mount Sinai and EHCC together. Can you? So while you did Mount Sinai and directed operations from the New York part of it, Mrs. Manju Sharma did her very best to put it on the ground. So congratulations. Dr. Narula, Adarsh Vidya Mandir is a long way from New York, but it ties you in very, very firmly to Jaipur and Rajasthan, because Adarsh Vidya Mandir is where a lot of them began, including the Bharatiya Janata Party's Adhyaksh. And therefore you, more than anyone else, will understand where we're all coming from. And therefore it was a great, great pleasure to hear you on the imaging. But honestly, doctor, I don't want to see, I won't recognize a doctor without a stethoscope. It's just become you know, let them just wear it, if nothing else. Because, you know, it's so much a part of doctor, white coat, stethoscope, that has to be there. And now you're taking it away from us and giving us this wonderful imaging, 3D echocardio. And I had while we were going around, that really killed me, because it's been 4 hours today from one neuro to another ICU, 4 hours. So I've had the full Monty. And So I want to say I had the pleasure of meeting a gentleman from Bombay in Mrs. Sharma's pet project room, right? And I asked him, I said, why have you come all the way from Bombay? I mean, to Jaipur of all places. But this is obviously tells you of things to come. The gentleman from Bombay was all smiles. And I got nervous because I said, you know, with all those wires and things, you shouldn't be smiling and sitting up and trying to talk to me. You should really be sort of resting. And they said, no, no, those days are of the past. These things don't happen anymore. And if he could, he would have got up with all his wires and done a kind of walked me around the room. What I'm trying to say is that he was in such great shape, though he did that, what was that very amazing thing called? What was it? Alcohol septal ablation. That's not normal apparently. It's something that does require a lot of technique, but he seemed really pleased about it and obviously was very well on his way to recovery. So, no more invasive surgery. So 3 cheers for non-invasive stuff. I was always petrified for this. Really, 3 cheers for that. I was always petrified because I kept imagining there's going to be a time when I'm going to end up somewhere here. They're going to cut me into 20 pieces. They're going to take out all their temper on me. All the days that they wanted to do something, couldn't do something because I got in their way. Well, this is the moment. Just knock her out and go for it. Luckily, there's something called non-invasive surgery. And I met another guy in the same ICU who they happily told me had had a heart attack just that morning. So he didn't look like it because he was sitting up in bed smiling brightly with all those again. And I said, you know, if you had a heart attack this morning, you should really be lying down. And again they said, oh no, we'll be discharging him in 2 days. Now I don't know whether that's great medical treatment or whether you're saving beds. So I'm trying to figure this one out. We'll know because I'm going to follow him. He goes back to Bikaner. I'm going to keep an eye on him. Something happens to him, I know what happened here. Then, distance imaging. Distance imaging, another very interesting thing. Telemedicine, I guess you could put the two together. That works well. Dr. Sandeep Bajaj. What an interesting idea. Yeah, I see everybody carrying these voluminous, I have this huge and voluminous health file. And I feel very sorry for every doctor who says, can I have a look at your health file? Because he has to really go through it to find what he requires. With me standing there saying, maybe that's what you're looking for. Obviously, I'm not a great help. So this is going to be terrific. Actually making a place for records of everybody's health, that is across Rajasthan. A health information exchange, what an interesting idea. And best of all, free of charge. Best of all, free of charge. Another thing that he talked about was genetic testing. And I can only think of Angelina Jolie, who just had this operation of the genetic testing thing, had discovered that she had the genes for cancer and went in at an early stage and had all that operation done. And you know about it, Dr. Saab. I read about it in the newspapers. But genetic testing will be a great help because people will be able to find out what they would possibly be liable to. We do need the telemedicine, but I need you to link all of this to the districts now. This is extremely important because I don't want, and it's not possible, to bring sick people from distances up to Jaipur. So with all of this huge interventions that you've all got on your hand, all these new innovations that you've all thought about, it would be very interesting to be able to plug into districts. As you said, Dr. Saab, about Pratapgarh and all, that would be so difficult. But perhaps if we could do that, then this telemedicine, this distance imaging would really be of great help to the people of the city and also of the far-flung regions. To actually create to make Jaipur the first city to incorporate hospital satellite centers with mobile ICUs would be a huge and amazing experience. Because I think that if it happened here in Jaipur, then it would happen in all the Sambhag headquarters, at all the divisional headquarters of Rajasthan, and that would be of a great help to all of us. Then Dr. Mehta, the STEMI network, 31 cities. This will be brought to India and Jaipur especially. I think that's amazing. So a world-class program in Jaipur, it's very, very welcome. And finally, I just say, after hearing all of this, I think it's very important to really raise a cheer to where good care leads, good health definitely follows. It's my motto for preventive health, so guys, don't end up here. Please, why don't you eat well, exercise well, and keep these guys out of your life. Thank you all very, very much. It was a great pleasure. And once again, thank you. It's wonderful to have this dream come true. It's wonderful to be able to have one such important setup in Rajasthan, in Jaipur, for the rest of Rajasthan. Thank you again for everything. Thank you all.
Ma'am, before you leave, I would request you to please do the honor here. We have an award which is for the best Eternal Healthcare Center, the nurse employee. And उसके लिए जो award दिया जा रहा है, उनको winner को मिल रहे हैं 50,000 rupees. और ये award दिया जा रहा है. The winner is Kuljinder. Can we have Kuljinder on stage, please? कुलजिंदर जी नर्स एम्प्लॉय का अवार्ड यहां पे लेते हुए एक बार जोरदार ताली होनी चाहिए. एवरीबॉडी कम ऑन, लेट्स हैव अ बिग हैंड फॉर हर. Congratulations, Kuljinder ji. And with that, now may I please request Mrs. Manju and Ms. Dr. Samin to present a memento to CM Sahiba. Representing a memento